Welcome guys, and thanks for tuning in today. I am excited to give you all a deeper insight and understanding as to exactly what happens within the gold trading community, and more importantly, how it can benefit you. Please write down any questions you have, as it's most likely they will all be answered by the time we're done. And if not, I will be more than happy to answer everyone's questions directly. Before we go any further, it's very important that I let you guys know I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and I am not your financial advisor. Trading is risky and you can lose all your capital. It's really important you remember past profits do not guarantee future results. Therefore, you should only ever invest what you are comfortable to lose. With that being said, let's go into the information. The Forex market is the largest financial market in the world. It has a daily volume of over $6.6 trillion. So it's no surprise why it attracts so much attention. But why are so many people choosing Forex trading as their make money online hustle? It's one simple reason. Trading is the only vehicle that allows you to make money without having to acquire any customers for a product or service. Let's face it, nobody wants to convince anyone to buy their stuff. And that's what makes trading unique. Once you learn this skill, you will have the ability to control your income for the rest of your life. The hardest part of trading is knowing what to trade and when to trade it. If you knew how to do those things, you would be able to make a lot of money in the Forex market. It sounds simple enough. You are probably thinking, what's the catch? The catch is most people spend years trying to learn, and they lose a lot of money in the process, and they still never get to the point of being able to get consistent profits from the Forex market. So what if you don't want to learn the skill? Surely you cannot make money from Forex trading unless you're willing to learn how to trade. Wrong. That's where copy and paste trading comes in. Copy and paste trading allows you to copy and paste the same trades of successful traders who already have a proven record with a consistently profitable strategy. So how does it actually work? Our expert traders tell you exactly what to trade, when to trade it, and in which direction, all in real time. These are the exact same trades that they are placing on their own accounts to make money. You will receive instructions on what to trade, which direction to trade it in, along with the entry point, take profit, and stop loss. All you simply need to do is copy and paste this information into your trading app. We also have 24/7 support on hand to answer any questions you have and guide you through the process. So what if you have never done anything like this before? This is something that is totally beginner friendly. You don't need any previous experience to participate in copy and paste trading. When you join the gold trading community, you will be given exclusive access to startup tutorial videos for beginners. Within 20 minutes, you will be ready to start copying and pasting trades and making money with us. So let's address the elephant in the room. Why do so many people say Forex is a scam? And how do you know this is not one of them? Typically, what you see online is people offering to take your money and promising you some type of returns from Forex trading. Anytime you hand over control of your money to someone else, the chances are you are about to be scammed. Anyone offering you any type of fixed returns from Forex is also definitely scamming you. With copy and paste trading, you are the only person who has access to your funds. You are in sole control of your deposits and withdrawals. And you are the only person who can log into your trading account, meaning it's impossible for you to get scammed. The gold trading community also has an exclusive partnership with one of the most trusted and regulated brokers in the world, VANTAGE Markets. So how much does it cost to get started in the gold trading community? Here's the best part. It doesn't cost anything. It's 100% free. A question we get asked all the time. So if the gold trading community is free, what's in it for you? The answer is very simple. We get paid by our sponsors and partners, which allows the community to be free for our members. Now you're probably thinking, can I really make money doing this? Take a look at what some of our members had to say. Lisa from London said this: entering week 3 with an absolute bang, made my monthly salary in a day. Paul from London was also able to make £3,000 in just one day. The last thing that most people are wondering is how much time will I need to do this? The beauty of copy and paste trading is that all the heavy lifting is done for you. Our expert traders spend hours analyzing the market, so you don't have to. Once the trade is sent into the community, it takes you less than 30 seconds to copy and paste the trade into your trading app. This means it's perfect for busy people. This member says they are a part-time teacher earning £1,800 per month, and they were able to make £1,100 in 2 days simply copying and pasting the trades that we sent. So in summary, here are the key points to joining the gold trading community. You don't send us any money. You open your own personal trading account with our recommended broker. 100% of the profits you make are yours. We show you how to easily open and close trades. You will be copying trades from expert traders with proven strategies. We teach you about risk management to protect your account from big losses. We provide short videos explaining how to place trades using the trading app on your phone. No previous experience is needed, and of course, the group is 100% free. So what's next? How do you get started? Simply click the link below and you'll be sent all the instructions that you need. I look forward to seeing you inside the gold trading community.